Good morning children, Saira. Welcome back to our session. So today we are going to learn value education. Our first chapter is prayers. So let's start with the prayers. So we'll be learning with the tune. So let's hear the prayer now. The first prayer is prayer to earth. समुद्रवसने देवी पर्वतस्तनमण्डिते विष्णुपत्नी नमस्तुभ्यं पादस्पर्शं क्षमस्व मे. Number 2 is holy bath. गंगे च यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिंधु कावेरी जलेस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु. Now number 3. गंगा सिंधु सरस्वती च यमुना गोदावरी नर्मदा कृष्णा भीमरती च फल्गु सरसुः श्रीगण्डकी गोमती कावेरी कपिला प्रयाग विनता नेत्रावती ध्यादयोः नद्यः श्रीहरिपादपङ्कजभवः कुर्वन्तु होममङ्गलम्. Now we heard the prayer. Now let's move on to the next chapter. That is chapter 2. It's the first story. And the heading is Key to the Treasure. So let me brief you about the story. So there was a farmer whose name was Kishore. He is a poor laborer and he earned his daily wages by doing some labor work and maintained his family. And his wife name is Kamla, who sings always God's bhajans and she repeats God's name always. And their daughter name is Vimala. She is only 5 years old. She also followed her mother. Now one day what happened when this Kishore, that is laborer, he was sitting on the veranda of his home and a dog approached him. So the dog was wagging his tail, indicating that he wanted the food. So this Kishore, what he told his wife to bring some food, and his wife Kamla brought a portion of food which was kept for herself. Now she brought the food and the dog ate and happily, and he sat there for some time. The dog sat near the veranda for some time. Now this dog came every day. Now this Kishore and the dog became great friends and they were talking with each other, and Kamla also joined in their conversation. Now this dog name is Vittu. He did not like Kishore's neighbor, and his neighbor name is Kansilar, because he greeted the dog with a stick. He beat the dog with a stick and with rough words. So this Vittu did not like Kishore's neighbor Kansilar. So one day what happened? Vittu was howling very softly. Now this Kishore came out and asked, "What happened? Why are you howling, Vittu?" Now Kishore gave a piece of roti, but the dog, Vittu, did not eat. Instead, he ran to the backyard. The dog ran to the backyard and started scratching the ground. The next day, the Lakshmi Puja was there. Kishore and Kamla, they performed the puja in a humble way. Now, after the puja, Kishore came out and he saw a sannyasi standing in front of his home. So this Kishore, he became so happy and he invited sannyasi home and served him the food. The sannyasi also took the food and blessed them, saying, "Dig the place pointed out by Vittu. You will be having you will have a happy surprise there." By saying this, sannyasi went away. And the next morning, Kishore started digging the place shown by Vittu. Now, what did he see there? Yes, as he was digging, he hit a buried treasure. That is, he found a steel trunk with gold coins. And there was also a strip of cloth that was written, "This box with the coins belongs to my descendants. It will be found by a worthy person." So whoever founds that box, they are a very worthy person and they can take this box. Now, this neighbor Kansilal came to know about the reason for Kishore's prosperity. So he started feeding the dog. Now the neighbor Kansilal also started feeding the dog. But no sannyasi came to his house. And in the same way, the dog again scratched a spot after some days. And this Kansilal also got a box of jewels and coins. But he did not get the cloth or any paper or any will that this box is for him, that it belongs to that person whoever finds the box. So nothing he has got. He got only the box of gold. And what happens after some times? Kansilal made his own fake will. Will is a paper written in that this property belongs to this person. That is called will. So he himself made that will, and after some days, the policemen, the authorities came to know about Kansilal's that he have the treasure. They came to him and found that it was fake because the will was written by Kansilal. The government confiscated the entire wealth, means they had taken all the wealth of Kansilal. He was also punished. Now Kishore showed the genuine will and he was allowed to retain the treasure. He kept the treasure with himself and he was living very happily. So children, what did we learn from the story? So, jealousy, greed and excessive desires are the causes of utter ruin. We will ruin our life. So we should not be jealousy and we should not be greedy and excessive desires. We want this, we want that. We should not have any desires. So love and kindness shown to all beings brings copious blessings of God. So we should love all beings, all human beings. So love and kindness shown to all beings brings copious blessings of God. So we should love all beings. That is, we should love the animals, birds, and whoever it is, so that God's bless us. Then the greedy person only looks to the money he is after and not the consequences which follow. So anyhow, a greedy person, somehow he wants the money to earn and live a materialistic life. So he is not bothered about the consequences which is going to follow him. So children, we should not be greedy also. Now let's read the story now. So this is the story, chapter 2, Key to the Treasure. So Kishore was a poor laborer. He earned daily wages and maintained his family. His wife was Kamla, who repeated God's name all the time. Vimla, their daughter, who was 5 years old, also followed her mother. One day, as Kishore was sitting on the veranda, a dog approached him, wagging his tail, indicating that he wanted food. Now Kishore called out to Kamla, "This dog is very hungry. Have you got anything to give him?" Kamla gave him a portion of food that she had kept for herself. The dog ate the food and happily sat there for some time. The dog came every day. Kishore and the dog became great friends. They talked to each other. Kamla also joined in their conversation. Now Vittu the dog did not like Kishore's neighbor Kansilal because he was greeted with a stick and rough words by him. One day Vittu was howling softly. Kishore gave a piece of roti to pacify him. Vittu didn't eat them. "What happened? Why are you howling, Vittu?" He ran to the backyard and started scratching the ground. Yes, and started scratching the ground. The next day was Lakshmi Puja. So here the laborer and his wife, they are doing the Lakshmi Puja. They perform the Lakshmi Puja in a humble way. After the puja, Kishore came out. He saw a smiling sannyasi standing on the threshold. "Oh, Master, I welcome you to our humble abode. Please do come and partake the food with us." The sannyasi partake food and blessed them, saying, "Dig the place pointed out by Vittu. You will have a happy surprise." The next morning, Kishore started digging the place shown by Vittu. After he was digging, as he was digging, he hit upon a buried treasure. He found a steel trunk with gold coins. There was also a strip of cloth on which it was written, "This box with the coins belongs to my descendants. It will be found by a worthy person." Now, Kansilal came to know about the reason for Kishore's property. So he started feeding the dog, but no sannyasi came to his house. The dog scratched a spot after some days. He also got jewels and coins, but there was no cloth strip or will. He started enjoying the fortune. Kansilal made his own fake will. The authorities came to know about Kansilal's find. They came to Kansilal and found that it was fake. The government confiscated the entire wealth. He was also punished. Kishore showed the genuine will and he was allowed to retain the treasure. So, moral: jealousy, greed, and excessive desires are the cause of utter ruin. Jealousy, greed, and excessive desires are the cause of utter ruin. Now, who was Kishore? Let's revise the chapter. See whether you are able to understand, whether you are able to answer this question. Yes, who was Kishore? He was a daily laborer. How did he maintain his family? He did some labor work by earning his daily wages. And what did Kamala do all the time? She repeated God's name all the time. And what happened one day while Kishore was sitting on the veranda? Yes, a dog approached him. And what did Kamala give the dog? Her portion of food which was kept for herself. Why did Bittu the dog not like Kishore's neighbor? Because he greeted with a stick and some rough words. Whom did Kishore see on the Lakshmi Puja day? A sannyasi. And what did sannyasi say to Kishore? He told him to go and dug the ground, which was shown by Vittu. And what did Kishore find when he dug the place shown by Vittu? Yes, he found a trunk of gold coins. And what did Kansilal do when he came to know about Kishore's property? He also started feeding the dog. And what did the government do when he came to know Kansilal's fake will? Yes, they confiscated all the prosperity, all the wealth. So what's the moral? Greed, jealousy, and excessive desires are the utter cause of ruin. So this is the end of the lesson, children. See you with the next lesson. Till then, stay home. Bye-bye.